Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very healthy, wholesome and tasty rice recipe. We're going to make this delicious curry leaves rice. It's very simple to make, so let's get started and check it out. We'll begin by preparing the curry leaves powder or podi, which forms the base for this dish. I've got all the ingredients ready here. In a white pan, add 3 tablespoons of Chana Dal and 3 tablespoons of Urad Dal. Roast them for about 2 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 teaspoon peppercorns, ¼ teaspoon fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Roast everything until golden and aromatic. Next, add 10 red chillies, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and a small piece of tamarind. Toast them gently. This will give the podi a nice tangy and spiciness. Now it's time to add the curry leaves. I have washed and dried about 2 cups of fresh curry leaves using a clean towel. Add them to the pan and roast on low flame until they turn nice and crisp and lose all that excess moisture. Finally, add a ¼ teaspoon of Asafoetida powder and give it a quick mix. Before turning off the heat, add 1 teaspoon of rock salt, mix well and transfer everything to a plate to cool down completely. Once cooled, grind all the roasted ingredients into a nice aromatic powder. And that's it, your flavorful curry leaves podi is ready. Store it in an airtight container and it will stay fresh for up to a week. Now let's make the curry leaves rice. Take a wide pan and heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon each of Urad Dal, Chana Dal and mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add 2 to 3 red chillies cut, few fresh curry leaves and about 1 cup of roasted peanuts. Now add the cooked rice. The rice should be separate and fluffy for the best texture. Mix everything gently so the rice gets evenly coated in that flavorful tempering. Now sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of the curry leaves podi. You can adjust the quantity according to your taste. Keeping the flame on low, mix everything well. Since the podi already has a little salt, taste and add only if needed. I'm just going to quickly taste it and I'm going to add a little more podi and a pinch of salt as well. A final drizzle of ghee takes the aroma to the next level. And there you go, here is a simple yet delicious curry leaves rice. This is a perfect lunchbox recipe and a great way to use all that leftover rice too. So you can see it's such a simple and easy recipe. Make sure you roast the curry leaves and it's nice and dry for a longer shelf life. You can bottle this curry leaf podi or the powder and you can use it whenever you want. It's good for rice as well as for idli and dosas. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.